the disorganization of your clothes or just don't have enough closet space? Then the Raybee rolling hanger clothes rack can bring you that organization that you crave. It's an adjustable and heavy-duty clothes rack with wheels on the bottom. When assembled, it can be 48 to 74 inches wide and 60 to 70 inches tall. So all of your long dresses and clothes have plenty of room to hang without getting wrinkled. And if you need more width than this, no problem. You can extend out these sides for extra width so you have more space to hang your clothes, belts, scarves, purses, hats, and accessories. On the bottom, it has 4 high-quality omnidirectional metal wheels, so you can wheel it around your bedroom, closet, living room, or wherever you're storing your belongings. And this product is made from stainless steel, so it's very durable, sturdy, and can withstand up to 650 pounds. The Raybee Heavy Duty Clothes Rack.